Hi, it's me Deepa and welcome to my channel. If you all like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I will be making sweet rice. So this is how I like to make sweet rice, and it has this really rich coconut flavor to it, but creamy as well. So it's a little twist with the traditional way of making sweet rice, and just to give it a little added richness and flavor. So I went down to Freeport Fresh Food Market. It is like a mini mart, and in previous videos you would see how to get there. I've shown you all how to get there. It's super easy to get there. And yeah, they have a wide variety of items, but again guys, it's a mini mart, so they have just a little of everything basically. So you'll want to go and check it out, and don't forget your ginger when you're going to make your sweet rice. So they have a lot of fresh produce as well. So today I'm going to be using half cup of white rice. So you want to just measure your half cup. Now this will still make a lot. So it really depends on the amount of people that you're going to be serving. I would say about 20 servings. Half cup will give you, which is quite a bit, so you can use less if you want to. The first thing you want to do is make sure and wash your rice. When you wash your rice, I'm using 4 cups of water to boil it in. So wash your rice, put it into a pot with 4 cups of water, and you want to bring it to a boil. I like adding my freshly grated ginger and a stick of cinnamon to my water, and just give it a little turn and leave it to boil on very low heat. Now what I do is usually bring this to a boil, and then I reduce that heat very low, like the lowest possible. So I left it to boil a bit, and when that rice got really nice and tender, it wasn't really soft, it was just tender. So once I smush it against my fingers, between my fingers, it basically was very soft but not too mushy yet. Yeah, so then I added 2 more cups of water. Once that water was already reduced and that rice got soft, and then I added a pack of coconut milk, and then I'm gonna boil this down again. Keep your flame very low and just boil it again. Keep cooking it on low heat until that rice gets really nice and soft. So the next thing I did, I added, once it came to a really nice soft consistency, I added 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1 pack of evaporated milk. And then I also added half cup, you can reduce this up as well, you don't have to use this much condensed milk, but half cup condensed milk, and give it a turn, a swirl, mix it up really good. And you want to cook it again for like at least 30 minutes on very low heat. So once it's really thick and that liquid is absorbed and it's really nice and thick, and your rice is nice and gooey and soft, the last thing that I like adding is some sliced almonds, and if you have coconut flakes, you can add some coconut flakes, and that's it. It's pretty easy. So then I switch my stove off, and if you're using this for offering, at this point you can take out a little bit and set it aside for your offering before you taste it, of course. And that's what I did here. So this is my little bit for my offering with a little bit of tulsi leaves, and sweet rice is used for Mother Lakshmi offering. And yeah, today is actually, it is still Narata, and so, or Naratri. So then I poured the rest of my sweet rice into a bowl and let it cool down, just so you can see what it looks like when it cools down. So you see how much it thickened up. So even when it's finished cooking, if it does look like it's still a little bit, it has a little bit more liquid in it, once you leave it for a little bit, once it cools down, that is going to thicken up a lot. So there you go, it's sweet rice. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and look out for all my other recipes to come soon. So you guys have to try the almonds, okay? It has a nice crunch.